So, hey guys, welcome back to the interview. So today I got a new camera, yes, but right now I'm doing a different camera. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a loud fart with slime. Sure. So I'm going to take it out. Then you have to start playing with it, control it. And as soon as it's starting to get very soft or something, you start adding it inside the container and then it farts really loud. But you gotta wait till it stretches. Look at that, so stretchy. Okay, so now I'm gonna add it and see. It's like you actually farted, but you didn't. It's just with this. It's funny. So then you wait again till it gets stretchy enough. How about let's do a drop ball? Do you guys know how to do this? Oh wait, we are doing the drop ball. Right. Oh god, it broke. Wait, let me do the drop ball again. Look at that drop ball. I'm going to make a twirl. See? Okay, it's starting to get soft enough. Okay, so now I'm going to pat it inside the container and now I'm part it. See? It's so funny. Well, anyways, guys, I'm happy being with you guys, but peace.